Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Squarespace Commerce for dropshipping starter setup step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Squarespace account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Once logged in, click on the Create New Site button. Choose a template that suits your dropshipping business. Customize the template to reflect your brand identity. Click on Design to adjust colors and fonts as needed. Next, navigate to the Commerce section in the left sidebar. Select Settings under Commerce. Here, enable the inventory feature for dropshipping. Choose a payment processor to handle transactions. Connect your preferred payment gateway. Next, click on Products in the Commerce section. Select Add Product to start listing your dropshipping items. Choose between physical or digital products based on your inventory. For each product, fill in the necessary details, including name, price, and description. Upload high-quality images that showcase your products effectively. Set up SKU numbers for inventory tracking if needed. Configure shipping options under the shipping settings. Set the shipping rates based on your provider or use flat rate. Navigate to tax settings to set up tax calculations for your products. Once your products are added, click on Pages to create essential site pages. Add a shop page to display your product listings. Customize other pages such as About, Contact, and Blog. Make sure to review your website's navigation for user-friendliness. Preview your site to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Once satisfied, click on Settings and then Domains to connect your custom domain. Follow the prompts to link your existing domain or purchase a new one. Finalize your site settings, ensuring all your business information is correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.